The stadium is entering one of its most critical stages, and the latest changes are impossible to ignore. The VIP areas have undergone a dramatic transformation, with the decorative slats steadily taking shape around Gol Norte. The LED lighting is now coming alive across key sections. There is a lot happening across the project, but the compression ring remains one of the most important milestones still taking shape. So, how close is the stadium to its next major milestone? Let's take a closer look. A major transformation is taking shape in Gol Sur, where the mobility cores and connecting walkways are moving closer to their final appearance. Elevated platforms are actively supporting the ongoing work as the remaining railing sections and walkway details continue to come together. The sandwich panels are also advancing, with the finishing corner pieces adding the final touches to this section. Above, the second level is rapidly approaching completion, with only the final panel installations remaining through the use of the suction lifting system. Step by step, this area is becoming a more complete and defined part of the stadium's overall structure. The moment we step inside the stadium, one of the most impressive changes is immediately clear. The platform has undergone a remarkable transformation compared with the last season. The VIP rings are also taking shape, with the stairs now painted blue and all the glazing installed, giving these premium areas a much more refined appearance. In the first Tier B ring, the steps and railings are already in place, while the third tier has also advanced significantly, with the steps and access openings largely completed. The remaining work will focus on seating and final interior details, but the progress already visible gives us a clear picture of how these areas are taking shape. To close this interior look, we get a spectacular panoramic view of the stadium, revealing just how impressive the entire venue is becoming. Another important area showing clear progress is the Tribuna sector, where the escalators have now been cleaned, polished, and fully exposed. The frontage near the VIP entrance and premium areas is also well prepared, with the ceramic substructure and supports already installed. The next step is to bring in the platforms and begin fitting the decorative slats, which should soon add color and character to this section. The VIP area has also undergone a remarkable transformation, with the flooring completed and drainage systems installed to efficiently manage rainwater during heavy storms, giving this entire area a much more finished and refined appearance. We now move to the Gol Norte access, where matchday access allows us to get much closer to the barriers and see details that are normally difficult to capture. This is the latest entrance to be opened, giving supporters access for the match against Athletic Club. At the Gol Norte Tribuna corner, sections of the decorative slats are already in place, along with the LED lighting fixtures. These lights are currently being tested and can produce spectacular color effects, offering an exciting preview of the visual impact they could eventually create across the stadium. Moving closer toward Tribuna, the supporting superstructure and its mounting supports are also already in place, marking another important step toward the completion of this section. The future Café diamond offers a perfect view of the stands now taking shape above it. The construction is already at an advanced stage, with the stepped form clearly visible, the formwork panels installed, and the reinforcement work completed. The next major step is the concrete pour, which will bring these stands much closer to their final form and give us an even clearer picture of the finished structure. Moving toward the corner, we can already see several interesting changes taking shape. The protective netting has been shifted slightly to the right after the tubes were installed across the upper section, and work is now continuing along the remaining lower area of the overhang. The sandwich panels are also nearing completion, with only a few sections left to be covered around this mobility core. Nearby, the truss is receiving its final white coating before the remaining panels can be installed, while the anchoring work and bolts in this area are also progressing. A large quantity of tubes and other construction materials is already on site, with additional work still underway before everything can be fully completed. We are now in the lateral sector, where a large number of workers are actively working around the diamond-shaped structure. Concrete blocks are being installed, reinforcement is extending upward, and another section has already been prepared with formwork. Workers are also cutting and moving wooden boards, with several pieces already prepared for installation. This formwork work is progressing across the area, gradually shaping the exterior structure and preparing it for the next stage of construction. Above the stadium entrances, work continues on the metal supports being installed and tightened to keep the structure properly aligned and secure. Most of this section is already completed, with only a small remaining gap still being worked on near the mobility cores. The protective plastics have also been removed from the completed areas, while sections with decorative slats still to be installed remain protected. Higher up, the green structural beams are now being prepared for the next level, where sandwich panels will eventually be installed. The necessary structural pieces are already in place, and this area could soon become the next section to receive those panels as construction continues around the corner. This corner gives us another close look at the diamond, where construction has been progressing well in recent days. Several workers are busy installing formwork around the reinforcement, with most of the structure now reaching almost to the top. The remaining reinforcement is being prepared for the final sections, while concrete blocks are also being installed between the structural elements, with much of the area already completed. Wooden boards are being fitted for the formwork, following the same process seen in the other diamond. The corner is also packed with construction materials and several elevated work platforms, while the anchoring points for the decorative slats are still being prepared. Higher up, additional platforms are active as work continues. We now move into Gol Norte, where a new connecting beam between the supports for the decorative slats is being positioned by crane and carefully secured into place. Several elevated platforms are also active, with workers installing LED lighting and wiring around the corner. Some cables are already in place, while others are still being completed, and additional LED fixtures are visible nearby. A red pipe being moved through the area appears to be part of the fire safety system along the ceiling. Work continues across the upper sections as we move toward the middle of Gol Norte. The third tier remains largely structurally complete, with current activity focused mainly on finishing and preparation work. Crews are continuing with work around the upper-level structures and circulation areas, while the installation of remaining elements and finishes continues as the stadium moves toward the next stages of completion. Work continues across the second cantilever, with workers progressing on the internal walls and structural elements around this level. Formwork, reinforcement, and preparation work are still visible in several sections, while other areas are being readied for the next stages of construction and finishing. The third tier remains largely structurally complete, with current activity focused mainly on finishing and preparation work. Crews are continuing with work around the upper-level structures and circulation areas, while the installation of remaining elements and finishes continues as the stadium moves toward the next stages of completion. Standing here in front of Tribuna, the compression ring immediately takes center stage, with completion targeted by the end of August. As of August 25th, 12 small baby boxes remain to be installed, while the two end sections forming part of the bracing structure are already in place. The new towers continue moving materials and yellow boxes filled with equipment upward, with the hope that they contain the necessary bolts to accelerate the installation. With the remaining boxes already waiting on site, the focus now turns to completing the bracing structure and bringing the compression ring closer to closure. After the excitement of that 5-goal opening league victory, our attention now turns back to the stadium, where the future Barca store is taking shape behind the secured perimeter. Inside, plenty of material and machinery are already visible, while the store and museum remain key priorities for the next stages of the Espai Barca transformation. Around the diamond, work continues on the superstructure and anchoring system. With the ceramic slats set to follow, once more areas are prepared. Inside the mobility cores, workers are also completing finishing work, while the diamond walls are still awaiting their final brown color to match the curtain wall profiles. Once again, we get a glimpse of what makes this stadium so special. More than just a football ground, it is becoming a symbol of ambition, passion, and the future of the club. Thank you for being part of this journey with us. The story is far from over, and there is still much more to discover. Until the next update, we'll keep watching and sharing every new chapter of this extraordinary stadium.